This your boy Mr. K5870 back here with another video. I'm about to do a review on the 8-inch halo light. Here you go right here. It's the 8-inch ring light. I think it's made by that company right there. Pay like $15 from where I get this from. I bought this from Berlin's. So I'm gonna open this box up. I'll be right back. So now I'm back with this light. Finna power it up, see what it do. I think it got 3 different modes. Let's switch. Got that mode, that mode, that mode. So right now I think it's the brightness all the way down. Turn it up. Oh yeah. I think it's worth that $15. I also have a phone mount right there. So I give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And I almost forgot to show y'all the light with the lights off. So let me do that real quick. Turn the lights on. I'm gonna turn this light off on this camera. Let's see the switch. Okay. Turn it all the way down. Okay. This is the warm mode and the brightness all the way down. So now I'm finna turn it up on warm mode. Light pretty bright. So I'm turning it back down. Put it on cool mode. It's cool. Let's see. Brightness all the way down. I'm finna turn it up. Yeah. And cooler. So I'm turning back down, put it on cooler. There we go. I'm turning it back up. And bright light. Hey, it passed for me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more YouTube content. Peace.